Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with my spinner that it's motorized and it's turned with really high speed, and this gives a little different look to your acrylic pours fluid art patterns than if you spin it by yourself, and I'm playing with that a little bit. Today I will just do some puddles of paint, and I have fluorescent yellow, fluorescent pink, fluorescent blue and phthalo blue, and I had a little bit of white already off, and this is slow motion of my first, I don't know, when Sarah Mag do this, she do some flowers and it calls them ninja swipe. I was just go for it. I'm playing lately with this technique because I kind of want to play with paint and just see what will happen, experiment. I love to experiment in fluid art, and that's why I love it so much, because it's never-ending story almost. You can try this or that, or like technique that you do normally, if you do it, I don't know, on a spinner in this particular way, it gives you total different results. And what I like with this high speed spin out of your paintings is that you get kind of those wiggly lines, but in a good way, not like if you tilt it. You will see what I'm talking about while I will do the spin out, because when I spin for the first time, second time, your paint just, flows like to cover your canvas. And then if you spin out more, that there is less paint, it will start create this natural look that you see at the end of result, that this was spinned out because paint wants to go towards the sides and creates really interesting designs. I thought at this point that I just went a little too far with this part, that I just played a little too much. I will now, I first did it with this popsicle stick, and this time I will use my palette knife. Of course, when we do those things in our deep conscious, is Colin Schaub. He's an amazing artist. He does an amazing things. I'm definitely not Colin Schaub, but I didn't even want to be. I was just inspired by his work. And we are all, inspired. Without inspiration in life or in art, it's not very funny. So, I was basically enjoying myself. I'm doing voiceover because I was just by myself with paint and playing with gravity. So in this particular type of art is a lot of gravity too. So enjoy the process, and at the end I will tell a little more. Oh, almost forgot, this is slow motion too, because I really love to watch paint to flow off the canvas. I'm just me. Enjoy. So here is a close-up of the dried result. I love it. I still think about what is going on with all those dots. I think that maybe my pouring medium or too much pouring medium just but I will definitely play some more with this technique. Fortunately it's not dark enough to show you the painting under the black light, but I'm pretty sure that it looks beautiful too, but I like it that way too, so I'm happy. Thanks for watching, have a nice weekend, and see you again on Monday. Bye!